Hi you all, this is Jamaican Beauty. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be sublimating photo frames or business plaques. Not quite sure the name, but that's what we'll be doing today. And we're going to make sure that the clear film is removed, and these are the two pieces that I will be sublimating. Yes, I know I could have easily put both blanks on the heat press, but I wasn't quite sure the temperature, so I decided to do a little quick test, and it actually works. So the temperature is 370 for 40 seconds. 370 for 40 seconds works great. So I'm loving how everything turned out. I wish I would have moved it just a tad bit more to the right and it would be more proportioned. But I will make sure that I include the links in the description below, and make sure you guys comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy crafting, everyone.